Okay, this one's called Rua Filipe O'Costa. There's a really beautiful temple all the way down that way, so we're going to be focusing on this street. This is actually Estoril as well, which is the first casino. So we're going to walk around and check out the first casino, focus on this particular street, and then we're kind of up here on this little Victoria Strada right there. So this is Strada de Victoria, major road, Grand Lisboa. There's definitely some stuff that goes up that direction as well, and there's college right here, like a high school college, swimming pool, Estoril, and we're going to go down that way and check it all out. So let's do that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's head on down this way, and we're going to leave Strada Victoria. So much cool stuff. I kind of want to go down lots of different streets, but we're going to go down this one. So the first thing we do is we kind of go downhill. Now you can see this kind of cool, this is all the Estoril. So I think this used to be the first casino. We'll see it around the corner. There might be another building than the casino, but we're going to take a look at both. And this one's called Rua Filipe O'Costa, and we have all those temples to the left, to the right, right here. So we're going to capture that as well. Oh, that's actually Myanmar. So they have a shrine of the Burmese one. So that's our target street. That's actually the shrine right in there. Yeah, there's like a little Myanmar reference, so that could be kind of a mix of Burmese and Chinese. That goes up to the main road up that way. And what we're gonna do is go down and follow our street. Okay. So we kind of got some kind of cool graffiti, so we're gonna try to capture some of that as well. Let's just step back a little bit, get on the other side of the street, and we can view it more clearly. All the way up. Okay, so we're gonna, I think our street might actually end right here, or it might go down the next block. I'm not 100% sure, but I know we're gonna put Estoril, the first casino, in it a little bit as well. And we might even walk up a little bit, just to give a little context to the street. Granted, there's more stuff up above as well that would have been interesting to capture, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the first casino, Estoril. So just come around here real quick. Yeah, it is. So this right here is all the Estoril casino, the first casino in Macau. And now we're on kind of a major road here, Sidonia Paish. And I think our plan is just to kind of show you this mural up here. If you've seen some of my videos about Lisboa, you'll see this giant mural on Lisboa, and it's right here. So we'll try to get around the bus stop first, and we'll show it to you. So this would have been the entrance that's now closed. Then this is that giant mural right there. So that is a, I can't remember the name, but there's like a certain something woman, and that's the English translation. There's probably something mulher in Portuguese. I think originally it was Portuguese. That's Tap SEAC right over there. Yeah, so that is all boarded up. I think I heard that they're going to like, some people think they should have make it into casino, which I think would be kind of cool too. But instead they're going to do something different with it. Instead what they're going to do, I heard, is like kind of mixed use something, like kind of like a little bit library, bibliothèque, something like that. Oh, you can see. Gonna just run across real quick. There we go. kind of hate to run across like that. But on the other hand, I can see it a lot better from this side. Actually, this woman is really photogenic, the one that's to the in the right corner there. So that's our mural right there. So the Estoril. You got some park benches. We're gonna walk down by that way as well. So yeah, that's the Estoril right there. So that's kind of cool. And we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. Our target street was that little one right there, but we're gonna venture down a little bit further. And I think we'll see if this street has the same name or not. But we do have a nice Tap SEAC park. Put me in there so you can kind of see me a little bit. People seem to like that for some reason. Same street. So we started up that way, and then now you can see that it says Filipe O'Costa. So we're gonna walk down Filipe O'Costa further down. We kind of just got like traffic right there. Not the best image. So what I'm gonna do is walk in front of this building. Got Praça de Tap SEAC. And then we kind of got this beautiful colonial building right here. Let me see, I'll just kind of walk in a little bit. But that's Tap SEAC all the way down. And those are all the, some really beautiful architecture down that way. And then this says 1925, which is 98 years ago. So kind of cool. So they're setting up some music there. They're gonna do some dancing. That's kind of cool. So okay, let's walk down this way. Let me just see what this is real quick. I think this is to a parking garage. Oh, I think that's oh, okay. Okay. So I guess we can't go down that way. That's all Tap SEAC. She told me to go away. So I don't know what that is, but that's that building. That's Estoril. Those are the dancers. They don't look like they want to have a camera on them either. That's a really photogenic little spot right there. What do you think? Cool? So we kind of got this little space here. So this is like a nice colonial building from 98 years ago. Just kind of walk. Got the Macau Tower right there. Have some of the sightseeing as well. And we are going to come over this way. So it looks like we'll have to come down over that side right there in a minute. Got so many people kind of it's like everywhere I go with the camera today, it's like doesn't quite work. So this is Rua Filipe O'Costa, and then I think this is the end of the street, so I think that one goes to something else. There's like Dino Burger down that way as well. So and then that woman said I couldn't go down that way. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go around the building so you have something to look at. Can't go down that way. Could go this way. That's actually kind of cool space. Let me see here. I guess you can actually come into this place. Let's see. So no loud music. No loud music, no playing cards, no sleeping, no dog walking, no smoking, no eating. I guess you can dance a little bit. Okay, so I guess we're gonna come across this way. what we're gonna do is come across like this. That's kind of cool. It's a really cool dock. Come around like this. Now we're in this little Estoril Nunes. Come around like this. We'll come down like that. And then I guess what we're gonna do is what's that one? So this is kind of a major road that goes down underneath. So it goes underneath. They moved it so it goes under the Tap SEAC. I think before it would go into the park. So they changed it. Kind of got a major road right here. And now we're at something called Cemetery Road. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go up Cemetery Road briefly. I think Volong is up here, I think. And there's a cemetery up here as well. Oh, there's a whole tour guide group right there. That group is huge. Huh. Hello. 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 Ni hao. So that's the street that we were just on, that little street right there. Which is kind of interesting about that is you can see a Gia Hill all the way up at the top as well. So Gia Hill is like a lighthouse up there, so I think you can see it. And yeah, the tour group came here. They're really friendly. Ni hao, ni hao. It's kind of cool. So we're actually at the top. I'll just kind of give you a little context real quick. We're at the street called Volong. This is where K-pop star filmed a little thing called New Face right here. And that would have been this street right here on Volong. So it's just kind of a small street, but it's like really good photogenically. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go around this way. Just kind of show you the cemetery. So there's a cemetery there. It's called Cemetery Road. So when we crossed over that main road, we went into Cemetery Road. And as you can guess, there's a cemetery down that way as well. And what we're gonna do is come back this way. And we're just gonna view our target street by looking this way, back down. I did do a video not too long ago, maybe a month or two ago, when this opened Dino Burger. For me, it was like had too many sauces. It was like the bun was like saturated with liquids. I didn't like it at all, but I heard that that's really desirable. And then we're coming out in this area, so I think that tour group was over here. Looks like they're kind of walking around, maybe with a flag. Maybe he sent them inside. So that's the Tap SEAC. Oh yeah, they're there. That's the cultural center. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna angle back this way. And now you can see this Tap SEAC, and now you can see Estoril, and you can also see the lighthouse above it up there as well. And yeah, we kind of walked on that building as well. Cool rooftop stuff. I love the rooftop stuff. Anyways, that was us right next to Estoril right there. Tap SEAC. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.